Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to repost someone's Instagram story to your story. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Now let's hop into the Instagram app here and I can show you an example. I can just tap on this story here. And if I go back, you can see what this is basically a story that was reshared to the original story. If I can tap on it, it's from this specific account. If you go back, you can see that this account has reshared or reposted that other account story. And the reason for that is because they were tagged in that story. So if you're tagged in a story, then you can always repost it as your story. If I tap that airplane at the bottom right, it doesn't give me the option to reshare this or repost it because of course I'm not tagged in this story. But let's hop out of here and tap on any messages at the top right. Now if you see in here, either in the messages or in that little heart notifications, if you see here somewhere that somebody tagged you in a story, then you can always go to that specific story and repost it if you want. Now let's go back here. And if you say you're not tagged in on a specific story, one of the things that you can do is you can always just go in here. Here you can always either take a screenshot or you could swipe down from the top right and you could record this as a video. And then once you're done doing that, you can always just go out here, tap on your story, and then upload that specific photo or that video. And basically you can modify this. You can zoom in a little bit if you want to focus on a certain portion of it. You can always tag the other person. You can do those different things and then basically you're essentially reposting someone else's story as your own story, either by taking a screenshot or a screen recording of their story. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon in the next video.